Okay guys, welcome back to our platform. This is ABJ from Confident Technology Liberia CTech Learning Lab, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Composer on your computer. I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Composer on your computer. And Composer is an application used to develop website. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. So connect to the internet and open your favorite browser and go to Google and just type Composer download. Now as you can see, this is the source of Composer download, and as you can see, we will take download. So Composer is downloading, so we will wait until the Composer download. Okay guys, so go to download, and this is Composer. Double click, take next, accept a license agreement, and take next. Create a shortcut account on the desktop and take next and click on install. Then you can click on launch. So guys, this is the account of Composer. So guys, this is the environment of Composer. Just uncheck this and take close and open up. So guys, this is the environment of Composer, and I'm going to be walking you through this Composer, how to build a super professional website for your local business or company using Composer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section. For now, please subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.